What's going on, everybody? Today I'm here to talk about the Facebook algorithm and why it's not actually screwing you over. We're going to go over 5 fast tips on how the algorithm works, and then at the end of this video, I'm going to go through why all these tips make the perfect recipe to kill it with the Facebook algorithm. Tip number 1. You want to tag the same game over and over and over. This is really important. Tip number 2. You need a schedule or need to go live at the same time when you can. This is extremely important for the Facebook algorithm. Tip number 3, avoid overposting on your Facebook gaming page. Don't do it anymore, and I'll explain why soon. Tip number 4, always stream in a positive light or try not to bring any negativity to any live stream ever. This is crucial. Tip number 5, always trim your videos after you're done going live. I'm not talking about clipping, I'm talking about trimming to a point of interest. The Facebook algorithm is designed to figure out what type of people will like your video content. It is designed to get viewers to your stream because their ultimate goal is to have as many people watching you as possible. When you start jumping around with different games, every bit of that algorithm that has learned about the viewers for one game is lost when you switch that tag. That's why it's extremely important in the beginning of streaming that you go with the same game over and over and you beat it down. And yes, it can get really old really fast, but you want to create an audience, and to get the algorithm to back you up, you need to play the same game over and over for a while to see if it's actually going to have any traction for you as a streamer. Sometimes you got to switch games, but if you're switching games like every couple of days, the algorithm has no idea what type of people are going to enjoy your content because you keep interrupting its flow. Streaming at different times interrupts the Facebook algorithm because people are available at different times of day. There might be more said viewer at this time versus this time. So if you go live consistently, at least, if you can't do a schedule, at least go live consistently, it can start understanding who's available that likes your stream at that time, and then notifications can go out accordingly and all that. So jumping around at different times and going live all the time doesn't give the Facebook algorithm a chance to learn your audience. When we post random content on our Facebook pages, if it isn't stream related, it tends to die. I'm sure all of you have experienced this. You posted something on your page and you said, hey, check out this thing, or look what I did, or any of that kind of stuff. And you notice that your engagement kind of dips down a bit. That interrupts the Facebook algorithm as well. You want to keep your content consistent across your whole page. So make sure you share stream related content in your live feeds and reels that have something to do with your live on Facebook. Get creative on other social medias, but when you're on Facebook, on the page, in your feed, keep it consistent so Facebook can learn more and more about you as a streamer. If you go live with a negative attitude, you will drive viewers away. If you have a negative stream that drives viewers away, the Facebook algorithm thinks it did something wrong, so it starts reassessing itself and looking for other new viewers. It just interrupts the process. It's extremely important to not lose viewers when we are live. It can be difficult to have a good attitude all the time, but really make it a focus and try to stay positive as much as you can. And finally, when we trim our videos down, we manage to get more minute views. This is how I've managed to get some videos over 100,000 views. And I'm not kidding. I've had multiple videos go over 100,000 views because I will trim my video down to a point of interest. And when people click on it or they see it in their feeds, it holds them there long enough for the Facebook algorithm to recognize this person liked the content, they watched for a minute, and I know, this is the Facebook algorithm talking, I know another 5,000 people that would like this content. This is how the algorithm works. It learns from us as streamers, and then it tries to get people to your stream. More and more streamers are interrupting this process, and it's frustrating them. I think it's just a misunderstanding, and I really hope this video helps you out. If it does, smash that like button, consider subscribing. That way you can keep up with my weekly content on this channel. Yes, I have some other things going on here, and we're trying to do a lot of different stuff on my YouTube channel, but I'm here to help. Message me, get in the comments. If you guys want to check me out live, click my live link. Come talk to me there. I'm always here to help, guys. Thank you.